Hello there and welcome back to my channel. All right, so this lesson today is just for those that are writing exams. All right, so I want you to understand that exams are simple. As long as you've prepared adequately, it's very easy. So today we just want to solve those questions that we know that they will come in the exams. So pay attention. All right, pay attention, because when you find such question in the exam, you may struggle, or maybe you may you may fail to answer. All right, so it's better that you pay attention right now. Okay, so I want us to start answering the first one, number A. All right, so it says find the equation of the curve for which dy dx is equal to the equation there at the point 0 comma -2. All right, now let me copy what I'm saying. So we are saying find the equation for the curve dy, okay, dy dx, okay, dy dx, which is 12x power 3 minus 4x plus 5, right? At the point, okay, at point 0 comma -2. All right, now let's try to solve this. Now, how do we solve such a question? The first thing, we need to integrate, okay? So we need to integrate. If we can integrate part by part, we are going to say integral, okay? This is not s, but this is an integral sign, okay? So integral of 12, integral of 12x power 3, okay, dx is equal to, so when you're integrating, what you do, the power on the variable, it adds by 1, then the result divides, right? So in that case, we are saying it will be 12x power 3 plus what? 1. Okay, the same thing we do it here, 3 plus 1, okay, is equal to, so when you add there, you're going to have 12 over 4, okay, x there of power 4 there. All right, so that is what you do. So you can simplify 4 into 12, it can go. So how many times? It is 3 times. So it will be 3x power 4, right? Now let's get another part. So that is the first part for 12. Let's get another part. So if you get another part, you're going to say integral of -4 x. All right, so you do the same, dy dx, which is dx is equal to, if you do the same thing, you're going to have -4 x, which has power 1, so 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, okay, equal to -4, all right, power -4x power 2 over 2. So when you simplify that, you're going to have -2x power 2, right? All right, now let's continue. Then the other part, it is 5. So when you're integrating constant number there, 5 dx, so it will be 5x. So you just add the x there. All right, now that we've found that, we are going to combine all of these. So if you combine them, we are going to start with the first part. What is the first part? The first part is positive. So the first part, it is positive. So it is 3x power 4. What is the sign of the second part? Negative. So we connect it, -2x power 2. All right, the last part plus 5x. All right, then plus c. This one is a constant value. All right, so now that we've found that, we are going to proceed. We want to find the equation. In short, we want to find the value of c. Remember, this equation, in this case, it is equivalent to y. So y is equal to this. All right, so at this point now, we need to substitute the values that we've been given there. All right, 0, 4, 0, 4. So in this case, you have 0 being the first value. It is equal to what? X. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to -2, right? So these are the values there representing that. Now we can just substitute. When we substitute in the equation there to find c, we are going to say where there is y, we are going to put -2 equal to 3, open bracket, then we have 0, 0 power 4 minus 2, again here 0 power 2 plus 5, open 0 plus c. Okay, hopefully you're following. From there now, you're going to say, okay, if I simplify here, I know that is 0. If I multiply 0 4 times, it will give me 0 times 3, it is 0. So this will give us 0, here 0, here 0. So we'll remain with c, which is -2, equal to c. So meaning c is equal to what? -2, right? So in that case, the final equation it will be, what? Y is equal to 3x power 4 minus 2x power 3, power 2, all right, then plus 5x, then you have minus 2. All right, so that is our answer for this particular question. All right, any question you can ask. Okay, now let's look at in the next question, in the next video. Let's solve the GP question. All right, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, and watch out for the next question.